Hello, welcome back to Marvelous Vehicle. This is Alex Ko from Qingdao, China. Today I'd like to share some new models in our showroom room. Let me introduce the food trucks one by one. The first one in the light green color. Delicious, fresh, and healthy. For now, the inside is empty. We can build the stainless steel worktops inside. You can build the stainless steel worktop inside. Also, you can put the kitchen supplies like fryer, grill, anything else. You can use it to sell coffee, ice cream, etc. Everything can be customized inside. Okay, let's get to the second one. This one with a different appearance. It is very cute. You can choose the color. Also, we will put your logo, your slogan, anything on the truck's body. The inside is also empty. Okay, let's see the third one, this blue one, with a different appearance. The same, inside is empty. Also, we can put the kitchen supplies as you wish. Next one, let's see the pink one. Empty. Customized floor plan. Please kindly share your brilliant idea, and our designer, our workers will make it as you wish. Next one, let's see this orange. This is a food chiller. It has no engine, and the former types we can put the electric engine. This one, you need to tow it with your own car. Okay, next, we have the red one. It is a simple food kiosk. Also, you can put the kitchen supplies as you wish. Also, with the awning, everything can be customized. Next one, we have the stainless steel Airstream food chiller. It is semi-finished, and we will share more information after finished. Okay, the last one, let's say the pizza food truck. Hot pizza! This is more like a food truck in USA. It is about 6 meters long, with empty inside, and we can also put the kitchen supplies for your different various usages. Okay, this is Alex Ko. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.